Why is your controller flashing blue? Hey guys, welcome back. That's what we'll be talking about today. So if there's some problem with your controller and it's flashing blue, it's usually because there's some connectivity issue. So it can mean it's trying to connect to a device or there's some sort of issue with the connection. So let's go over different issues and how you can fix them. So the first thing you can do that might be just a quick fix, what you can always try before you try something else, is just restart your device that you have your controller connected to. So either restart your PS5, or if you have it connected to your PC, then restart your PC or your phone. Just restart whatever you're playing on, and that can help in some cases. So try that first. Then the next thing that can be the issue is that there's other Bluetooth devices. If you're connected through Bluetooth, of course, if you have a cable connection, this won't be the case. But if you're connected to Bluetooth through your PS5 or PC, then there might be some other devices that have Bluetooth on that are interfering. So you want to turn this off on your phone, for example. You can do this quite easily. On your Samsung phone, just hop into the settings, go to connected devices, and then go to Bluetooth, and then you can turn Bluetooth off. On iPhone it's pretty similar. Just go to your settings, you'll see Bluetooth right there at the top under Wi-Fi, and then you can turn that off right there. And you can do this for your other devices that are close as well, or you just bring your phone out of the room and see if it works then. So this might be the problem because there's some other interfering devices such as your phone. Then of course, if you're connected via Bluetooth and it still doesn't work, then try connecting with a cable. So try connecting your PS5 controller with the cable to your PS5 or to the PC. If you're already doing that and the cable doesn't work, try a different cable. Maybe the cable is the problem, maybe there's some connectivity issue, maybe the cable is a bit faulty, maybe it's not a good connection. So just try the other cable, and then that should help as well if the problem is with the cable. Last thing that can happen is that your PS5 needs some update or software or firmware update, and you can do that and update your PS5 by going to the settings, then go to system, go to system software, and then system software update and settings. And then right there you'll see if there's any updates available that might be interfering and might make your controller not work or flash blue. Last thing you can do is reset your controller. So at the back of your controller there's a tiny button. You need to get a pencil or something really small, a hairpin, something you can press that button with, and then hold that button, and then that will reset the controller, and then everything will be resetted on there, and your controller will hopefully be working again. So yeah, that's some different reasons why your controller might be flashing blue. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.